Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Super Prime Time Max on The Debate with Arnab. Yesterday, the Congress party brought back Sam Pitroda, who said people from the South look like Africans. And today, the India Alliance demanded the immediate removal of the Sengal from Parliament. The Sengal is a symbol of Tamil pride and it has its deep roots in Hindu tradition. It is therefore clear to us tonight that the anti-Sanatan, anti-Hindu line of the India Alliance was not just a pre-election move to get the Muslim vote. The demand to remove the Sengal shows that being anti-Hindu, even if it comes at the risk of also being anti-Tamil, is not something that the India will ever leave. In the last 24 hours, they have rewarded Sam Pitroda, who has been anti-South Indians. They have targeted Tamils directly and Hindus directly by demanding the immediate removal of the Sengal from Parliament. This is a sign of overconfidence by the Congress party, especially the Congress party. And while there may be no elections immediately, and the Congress party may think, what happens if we are anti-Tamil, anti-Hindu? Doesn't matter, elections are over. I can tell you, viewers, I can tell you, this will have consequences in days to come. Ladies and gentlemen, I come to you with very sharp debates as always this evening. First, the Congress party says remove the Sengal. The entire India Alliance says remove the Sengal. Debate number 2 tonight, viewers. Debate number 2 this evening. You have anarchy, not protest. We've been pushing for justice for NEET, but there was not a single NEET aspirant in that attempt to lock up the NTA office. They want anarchy on the streets, the India Alliance. And debate number 3 tonight, which will be very interesting, very interesting. Personally, viewers, I hate the idea of the Congress leaders using the Constitution of India as a marketing tool. The Constitution is sacred. It is not a marketing tool for them. And here are the headlines very quickly this Thursday evening on The Debate Tonight.
हमारी संसद लोकतंत्र के एक मंदिर है, वहाँ लोकतंत्र, वहाँ सेंगल कोई जरूरत नहीं है, वहाँ जरूरत है भारत के संविधान के एक विशालकाय प्रतीक की।
Sanatan haters are back. Akhilesh Yadav's Samajwadi Party, Congress, India Alliance say remove the Sengal and replace it with the Constitution. And what do they even mean by this? Clear attempt to pit the Constitution against Sanatan Dharma, against Indian Tamil culture. The Samajwadi Party, the Congress Party, RJD continuing the demand, saying that the only way out is to remove the Sengal. All across South India, especially Tamil Nadu, there is great anger over this.
जब पहली बार लगा था, प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बाकायदा प्रणाम किया था। इस बार शपथ लेते समय शायद वो भूल गए। उसी को याद दिलाने के लिए लगता है मेरे पार्टी के सांसद ने कुछ इस तरह का पत्र लिखा है।
Shame, shame, shame. Akhilesh Yadav and the Indie bloc support and defend the insult to Sanatan and to Tamil tradition. This comes just a day after Rahul Gandhi rewarded Sam Pitroda for abusing South Indians and for making racist remarks against people from different parts of the country.
25 जून 1975 को लागू हुआ आपातकाल संविधान पर सीधे हमले का सबसे बड़ा और काला अध्याय था।
President Draupadi Murmu recalls in her address the darkest chapter in the history of India's democracy. She says the emergency was a direct attack on the Constitution. But ladies and gentlemen, the opposition is lost for words when the nation condemns this attack on the Constitution, but uses the same Constitution to pit it against Sanatan symbols like the Sengal. Fireworks expected in Parliament tomorrow, and ahead of that, complete anarchy as the NSUI, the Congress Party's student wing, creates chaos at the NTA office. Not a single NEET aspirant is in this protest. They lock up the NTA office from inside. And this is their new model. Anarchy, not debate, not discussion, not solution. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be meeting Russian President Vladimir Putin in his upcoming visit to Moscow on the 8th of July, his first visit to Russia in his third term. Meanwhile, Washington's sly pressure tactics begin to surface ahead of Narendra Modi's visit. An 80-plus Democratic presidential candidate, a convicted Republican presidential candidate, the world awaits a historic presidential debate in the United States tomorrow. And first we debate the anti-Sanatan stand of the India Alliance, which is at play yet again. Abusing Sanatan Dharma, insulting the Sengol, promoting anti-Hindu hate is nothing but an example of their divide and rule politics. And if you felt that this was just a little bit of a distraction before the elections, no, ladies and gentlemen, remember this, especially viewers in South India. Remember, yesterday Rahul Gandhi rewarded the person who said South Indians look like Africans. And today, the Congress Party, India Alliance, all of them want the Sengol removed from Parliament, despite knowing the deep roots it has in Hindu tradition and the significance it has for the people of the South, especially Tamil Nadu. Let's debate.
सेंगोल के मूल अर्थ की बात करें तो ये तमिल शब्द के सेमई से लिया गया है, जिसका अर्थ होता है नीति परायणता। ऐसे राजा को ये सौंपा जाता है जो नीति के तहत शासन चलाता है, न्यायपूर्ण निष्पक्ष शासन का प्रतीक है।
Sengol, a Hindu symbol of justice, transfer of power and good governance. Hear how Samajwadi Party parliamentarian R.K. Chaudhary insulted the Sanatan symbol.
सेंगोल प्रतीक है राजतंत्र का। तो राजा डंडा लेके बैठता था, जो फैसला कर दिया और डंडा पीट दिया तो वो फैसला मान्यता था। अब भारत में संविधान लागू है, यहाँ लोकतंत्र है। इस देश का हर वो आदमी जो बालिग है और उसका वोटर नाम है, अपने हिसाब से अपना प्रतिनिधि चुनता है। तो संसद में सेंगोल रखना ये लोकतंत्र का अपमान है।
The Samajwadi Party parliamentarian was backed by his chief.
मुझे लगता है कि हमारे सांसद इसलिए कह रहे होंगे कि जब पहली बार लगा था तो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बाकायदा प्रणाम किया था। इस बार शपथ लेते समय शायद वो भूल गए, उसी को याद दिलाने के लिए लगता है मेरे पार्टी के सांसद ने कुछ इस तरह का पत्र लिखा है।
India Alliance to wade it in.
बिल्कुल हटाना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये लोकतंत्र है, डेमोक्रेसी, और वहाँ पे अब राजतंत्र तो रहा नहीं। तो अगर सिंगोल को लगाना ही चाहिए तो उसको म्यूजियम में रखना चाहिए, जहाँ की देश के सभी लोग जाएं और वहाँ पे उसका दर्शन भी करें।
The government has always been playing with this kind of things by placing Sengol and other kind of things and making a high drama in the new parliament building was inaugurated. In that time itself, we had commented on our position. And this is a good suggestion from the Samajwadi colleague.
On 28th of May, after a gap of more than 75 years, Sengol was signified as the transfer of power symbol.
प्रधानमंत्री अभी सेंगोल को और सभी आदीनों को साष्टांग नमस्कार कर रहे हैं।
Ignored by Nehru, Sengol was given its righteous place by the Prime Minister in 2023.
ये ऐतिहासिक क्षण पवित्र प्राचीन सेंगोर लोकसभा अध्यक्ष के आसन के दाईं ओर स्थापित करते हुए प्रधानमंत्री।
The Samajwadi parliamentarian has defended his remarks.
हम चाहते हैं कि जहां अपने जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने सेंगोल को रखा था, वहां सामान वहाँ रख दिया जाए और भारतीय संसद जो नई बनी है उसमें बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर द्वारा लिखित जो संविधान के प्रति बड़ी विशालकाय है वहाँ स्थापित कर दिया है।
This comes a day after Congress pardoned racist Sam Pitroda and welcomed him back to the party. BJP is calling out India's divide and rule policy.
This is the nature of the India alliance. It was the same Congress party when they were in power after the transfer of power. They treated it like a walking stick and cast it away, labeling it as a walking stick in an Allahabad museum.
India alliance people, the India alliance parties, now they are against the Tamil tradition. They are against the Tamil culture. They are against the Tamil people. So I condemn this attitude of the SP leaders and India alliance leaders. So they don't have any right to talk about the Singh.
Waging an all-out war against Tamil Nadu and India's Sanatan heritage, India is back with anti-Sanatan politics.
First, I go across to editor of Tughlaq, chairman of the Vivekananda International Foundation, S. Gurumurthy. Mr. Gurumurthy, is the Congress party doing this to appease the DMK, or is there something else at play here?
See, I'm not sure what the Congress stand is, but I take it as a sporadic letter written by Chowdhury. And even I find that the kind of support, tangential support he received from Akhilesh Yadav is not that Akhilesh Yadav wants the Singhol removed. So in this perspective, I would like to present what is the Singhol. Singhol in Indian tradition, it's not, of course, it is a tradition which has survived in Tamil Nadu for long. And it is an Indian tradition, it is a Hindu tradition. It comes from Ramayana days. When Rama was ascending the throne, he asked Vasishtha whether he is the supreme power as a person, as the king, as the emperor. But Vasishtha took the Singhol and touched his head thrice and said, no, you are not supreme, it is Dharma which is supreme. If we accept the idea of Dharma as the soul of the Indian constitution, then Singhol represents the idea of Dharma. Yato dharmas tato jayaha. This is the motto of the Supreme Court. Satyameva jayate. This is the motto of the government of India. Dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. This is the symbol of the Law University and Research and Analysis wing of the government. You take any important government institution, their motto is rooted in the ancient literature of India, starting from Vedas, Upanishads. That is the soul of India.
No, but they are pitting Singhol against Constitution. They have pitted Singhol versus Constitution, and in response to your first point, it is not a stray letter, Mr. Gurumurthy. It has received widespread all-party support from all the members of the India Alliance.
I agree. What I have to explain what Singhol represents. It represents the soul of the Indian Constitution, because the Indian Constitution did not suddenly come up on 26th January 1950. Its soul is incorporated in the words of the Constitution. Now they are talking about the Constitution. Which is the Constitution they are talking about? The Constitution that Mrs. Gandhi formulated and got the President to sign on the 17th of December 1976 to provide for 5 things. The 5 things are that the Constitution could be amended by ordinary laws and the fundamental rights could be done away with, that the Supreme Court cannot be directly approached for violation of fundamental rights, that the central laws cannot be adjudged upon by the state high courts, and there will be a ban on unlawful associations, which will include political parties, to establish a single party rule. This was the Constitution on the 17th of December 1976. After assuring herself that this will be the Constitution in future, Mrs. Gandhi ordered the election in 1 month. You know, we were all party to we were all struggling against it. Our people were in jail. And when Advani had got released and he came to the Chennai railway station, I received him and I asked him in a small group meeting, Advani ji, what is our response? What he told shook me. He said, if we don't contest the elections, they will say you don't even have the fighting spirit to contest the elections. If we contest it and lost, the constitution which Mrs. Gandhi has got it signed and passed by the parliament, undoing the entire constitution of India, will become the constitution of India. This was the choice. And if only the people of India had not elected the Janata Party, elected Mrs. Gandhi, the constitution that the country will have is the constitution which was passed in 1976 and not the original constitution. It is the people of India who saved India from autocracy, dictatorship.
I'll tell you something, Mr. Gurumurthy, you've set up the debate so well. I personally, at 9 o'clock tonight, we are debating this, that the constitution cannot be turned into a marketing tool in the way it is happening out here. But this is worrisome. It's a very worrisome situation indeed that the India Alliance begins Parliament by saying we want to remove the Sengol. Mr. Gurumurthy, I thank you so much for setting up my debate, and I will now proceed to my panel. The Sengol removal is out of the question, and on the debate this evening I have with me Tuhin Sinha and Dushyant Sridhar, national spokesperson of the BJP and well-known Vedic and Hindu scholar Dushyant Sridhar, and Samajwadi Party's Tariq Ahmad Lari, and Nikul Patel of the Congress Party. Tariq Lari, Sengol has its roots in Hindu culture and Hindu tradition. And India's civilization also has its roots in Hindu culture and Hindu tradition. Nobody can change this fact, which is why if you try to remove the Sengol, there will be nationwide protest. All Hindus will come together. If you make this an issue,
आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे, आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे.
ये करना चाहते हैं तुहिन जी, they want to.
नहीं करने देंगे हम लोग.
ये prove करना चाहते हैं point को कि if Narendra Modi has placed a symbol of Hindu pride and Tamil pride, they want to remove it. They want to make a point to all Hindus across the country.
Arnab, just 10 seconds before you get them, you are talking to a party जिसके 2 member of parliament, T.S. Hassan और शफीरुल बर्क ने पिछले 2-3 सालों में शरिया लॉ की वकालत की थी इस देश में. So I think, I leave it at that. You can proceed with the Samajwadi Party.
So I think that it is not going to be so easy for the India Alliance, though they have got a little bit more seats this time, to target Hindu tradition, Hindu culture and Hindu symbols. And if some Hindu symbols are also associated with the great civilizational heritage of the country, they should be welcomed. Tariq Lari, you can change your position on the program tonight and explain why you are trying to do something like this.
देश बड़ा, संविधान बड़ा या धर्म बड़ा? धर्म बड़ा है कि संविधान बड़ा है? मनुस्मृति बड़ी है कि संविधान बड़ा है, ये आपको बताना पड़ेगा. मनुस्मृति में संगोल है तो इसका मतलब आप क्या चाहते हैं? अगर कोई खालिस्तान बोल रहा है तो दूसरा हिंदू राष्ट्र भी बोल रहा है. अगर खालिस्तान बोलना आतंकवाद है और देशद्रोह है तो हिंदू राष्ट्र बोलना भी, इस संविधान के तहत हिंदू राष्ट्र बोलना भी आतंकवाद है, देशद्रोह है. इस बात को सबको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए.
I take strong objection.
की बात कर रहे हैं तो संगोल.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is an attempt by, मैं explain करता हूं आप क्या कर रहे हैं. 1 minute.
बैकवर्ड के लोगों को मारने के लिए, और तबीयत से मारते थे उस सिंगोल को. उनकी संपत्तियां जब्त करते थे, उनकी औरतों को जब्त करते थे, मनुस्मृति को सख्ती के साथ लागू करते थे. वो राजशाही का प्रतीक है और आज लोकतंत्र है. और लोकतंत्र में ही 400 पार का नारा देने वाले कहां आ गए वो भी दिख रहा है. इसलिए कोई ऐंठ ना दिखाए कि थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ गए हैं. थोड़ा सा नहीं, बहुत आगे बढ़ गए हैं. किस दिन सत्ता पलट जाए मालूम नहीं है अर्नब जी. ये आपको भी मालूम है, हमको भी मालूम है. 1 तारीख को हमने और आपने डिस्कशन किया था और मैंने आपसे कहा था कि 250 से नीचे रहेंगे. आप मान नहीं रहे थे. याद करके रखिएगा. इसलिए घमंड किसी को नहीं होना चाहिए और सिंगोल एक किसी का भी धार्मिक
No, people will observe this,
चिन्ह किसी भी संवैधानिक संस्था में स्थापित नहीं हो सकता है।
तीन चीजें
ये चीज संविधान के द्वारा
तीन चीजें मैं कहना चाहूंगा तारिक लारी जी। तारिक लारी जी, मैं आपको
संविधान को मानते हैं कि मनुस्मृति को मानते हैं?
I would like to tell you three things, and please listen to me carefully and don't interrupt me. I am a Hindu. I am a practicing Hindu. I am a very proud Hindu. And you have no right to speak against my religion. I warn you against making any statements.
Who is speaking against your
I
religion?
warn you against making any statements which I will see as your attempt to demean my religion. You have no right. India is 82% Hindu, and 82% of the Hindu population will feel insulted and have every right to take offense to your deliberate attempts to downgrade.
What about those percent who voted for Avdesh Prasad? According
now
to you, they are not Hindus?
Second point.
According to you, they are not Hindus.
second point to you is
my second point to you is this. अयोध्या के लोगों को गाली बकी जा रही है। क्या अयोध्या के लोग हिंदू नहीं हैं?
Second point.
अयोध्या के लोग हिंदू हैं कि नहीं है, ये बताइए। अवधेश प्रसाद हिंदू हैं कि नहीं है, या उनको हिंदू धर्म से निकाल दिया गया है? अखिलेश यादव हिंदू है कि नहीं है? राहुल गांधी हिंदू है कि नहीं है? हिंदू नहीं है।
certain very objectionable thing.
I would one minute. Tariq Lari, I have got other panelists on the debate. I would like to bring them into the debate, but I'd like to tell you, viewers, please notice. Please notice, viewers.
आप देश के संविधान को नहीं मान रहे तो आप गद्दार हैं।
आप 36 और 98 सुन लीजिए, आप सुन लीजिए मेरी बात, उंगली नीचे कीजिए मान्यवर, मैं आपको उंगली दिखा के बात नहीं कर रहा।
सर म्यूजियम में रखने की चीजें
आप फर्स्ट लेट द अदर्स स्पीक।
मम्मी भी है, मम्मी को उठा के क्या संसद में रख दिया जाएगा?
Viewers, please note that with 98 and 36 seats respectively, the Congress and the Samajwadi Party has already started targeting Hindu religion, Hindu symbols, Hindu pride. and you know, imagine if they had more seats, what they would have tried to do. And therefore keep that in mind, viewers. Keep that in mind. And the second point is this. There is so much discrimination. There is so much discrimination among Muslims. There is so much discrimination against among Muslims. There is, but let me speak, Tariq. I am saying something to you. Himmat hai to suniye. Himmat hai to suniye. Tariq Lari ji.
You are dividing the country.
हिम्मत है तो सुनिए।
You are dividing the country. No. I won't listen.
Relax.
You are dividing the country.
And I want to tell you again, viewers. Keep in mind that there is so much discrimination. Among Muslims, there is so much injustice within the Muslim community. There is so much wrong that has happened in the name of Islam. And what the IMPLP does is so wrong. But I as a practicing Hindu, never speak a word against Muslims. I, as a practicing Hindu, for my religion has taught me that the greatness of my religion does not come at the cost of putting other religions down. But this man, Tariq Lari, believes that putting Hinduism down is part of his right, and I'm telling him, you do not have that right. You do not have that right, and you shall never have that right. And Tuin is on the debate tonight, viewers. Stay calm, viewers. This is the kind of comment we sometimes have to deal with. Stay calm, viewers. Stay calm. But remember how they're anti. Stay calm, viewers. Don't get agitated. Don't get agitated. But remember, watch this tonight. Watch this and remind yourself. Remind yourself. Look at him today. Look at the way he speaks about my religion. Look at the way he speaks about Hinduism. Look at the way he tries to denigrate religion. Look at the way he tries to denigrate Hinduism. Look at the way he tries to bring it down to caste. Look at the way these people speak about eradicating Sanatan Dharma. But we the Sanatanis, we the Hindus will never take this personally. We will say it is part of Tariq Lari's ignorance. It is an ignorance that makes him talk like this. It is his sheer ignorance and arrogance and contempt for other religions that makes him talk like this. Stay calm, viewers. Don't get provoked by this. Doing Sinha,
first.
we will not allow the Sengol to be removed. We will not allow the Sengol to be removed.
Yeah, can I?
Sengol हटाई नहीं जाएगी.
Arnab, before I come to the repulsive Samajwadi Party, let me just focus on the sanctity of the Sengol. शांत कराइए, कहाँ से आ जाते हैं? देखिए, the Sengol is an unequivocal symbol of administrative propriety, justice, fairness. It is a manifestation of the impartial nature of justice in the country. And no, it is not pro-monarchy. It is anti-monarchy, because during the time of the Chola dynasty, it would be in the hands of the king. But now it has been placed in the house of the people. That house, Lok Sabha, where all decisions concerning the future of the country has to be made. So no, it is anti-monarchy. They have a fundamental problem of comprehension because they behave like illiterates. That's point number one. The demand by Samajwadi Party is anti-Tamil culture. I don't need to explain that. Mr. Guruswamy has already explained that. It is anti-Hindu because, the entire ritual of handing it over to the new king or new administrator was carried out by Adinams representing the Shaivite culture. It's a tradition which does not only go back to Chola dynasty, but has its roots also in the Maurya dynasty. So imagine it's an attack on the unity of this country. Number three, the Sengol in the Indian context is synonymous with freedom. It was brought by Pandit Nehru on the recommendation of C.R. Rajagopalachari. The act of removing it in 1971 was against the spirit of freedom. And all those people who want it out today basically have a servile, slavish mentality. They have a pro-emergency mindset. And finally, let me come to the Samajwadi Party. Out of 37 members of the Samajwadi Party, 5 belong to one party, which is a sign of monarchy. 14% of your members belong to one party in parliament. That is what monarchy is. Today, you are calling your member of parliament from Ayodhya, Avdesh, Raja of Ayodhya. Shame on you. There is only one Raja of Ayodhya, which is Bhagwan Ram. You should apologize to the nation for that before talking about anything else.
Jai Shri Ram. The question also is, I want to go to Dushyant. Dushyant, there is a problem people are having with all Hindu symbols now, especially the India Alliance. And they forget that in the Supreme Court, there is a Sanskrit phrase, which is, I think, taken from the Mahabharata, which says, Yato dharm tato jaya, which means where there is dharma, जहाँ धर्म है वहीं जीत है, where there is dharma, there is victory. अब ये जो बातें हैं, these statements, people like India Alliance cannot remove Hinduism from this country. And before the elections, when I said there should be consolidation of people who believe in Hinduism, in the sense, I was not talking about religious consolidation, I was talking about people who believe in India's civilizational heritage. But are you seeing here, Dushyant, a very dangerous trend? Because they have got a little bit more seats, they want to go after the symbols of Hindu pride. Imagine if they were to come to power, शायद वो पहले दिन ही सेंगोल को निकाल देते और जहां जहां हिंदू धर्म की बात कही गई सब निकाल देते सेक्युलरिज्म के नाम पर. दुष्यंत.
Namaskaram Arnab and namaskaram to all my fellow panelists. I would request patience from all the panelists. I'll make my points very quickly. I suppose I have a flight at 5 a.m. I keep an alarm that reminds me at 2 a.m. The clock is a reminder. Similarly, in the past, kings had Shengol, which is the Tamil word, or Dharma Danda, which is a stick that reminds them of Dharma.
Right.
So it is a reminder to give justice. 2000 years back, the very well-known poet Thiruvalluvar states, "Orndu kan nodadu iraippurindu yaar mattum terndu sai vagude murai." He says that a person who has to administer should be impartial, should be disinterested. That means he should always walk towards on the path of dharma, like how the Sengol reminds. And who gives the explanation for this or not? Kutram innadendru aaraindu yenda pakkamum saayamal nadunilamayai tavaramal valangapaduvade neediyagum. I'm reading out the commentary. Who has given the commentary? The former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Karunanidhi.
Oh.
So the thing is, Karunanidhi, the former chief minister, while commenting upon Tirukkural, which is 2000 years old, says that Sengol is a reminder of dharma and justice. So just because a clock has been used by, say, a Joseph Stalin or Adolf Hitler, I will not break the clock. Just because a Sengol might have been used by one or two kings who might not have been delivering justice, I cannot throw away the Sengol, because this Sengol reminds me of Dharma. And another point, or no, one of the members of the parliament from the RJD, Misa Bharati, said that this is democracy. Interestingly, the member's name, herself Misa, stems from the Misa Act, which came during the emergency. So to be a reminder of that emergency is what. So these people should be fighting the emergency and not should be fighting the Sengol. And last of all, the person who has spoken about this comes from the Samajwadi Party, which is largely headed by Akhilesh Yadav. And the word Yadav comes from the word Yadu. And Yadav is Krishna. Krishna talks about Yato Dharmas Tato Jayaha. So all their names, all their traditions are attributed to the Hindu religion. But why are their statements so very against the very ethos of the civilization is something that pains me. I feel, they've been given the role of an opposition. They have better things to ask and not removal of Sengol. If this is what they've meant, I think they've started on a very bad note.
And viewers, a lot of people calling tonight. I'm not taking calls. People are saying, Arnav, what is the overall message from what you are seeing on the debate tonight? The message I'm seeing so far, especially from the very, very acerbic and toxic words which have been used by Tariq Lari, unfortunately, in the beginning of the program, the sense I get is that the India Alliance, or a large number of people from the India Alliance, want to do everything possible to erase Hindu pride and attack Hindu unity. Now, this is not going to be possible. Tariq Lari, neither you nor 100 generations from now, India will not exist if you try to remove or reduce Hindu culture and Hindu civilization. Also, listen to me and listen to me completely. Listen to me completely. When you were speaking, I heard you. Listen to me completely. There is so much wrong. I'll tell you something. There are so many things I find being done in the name of Islam which I disagree with. But I never insult you. And by the way, your interpretation of the caste system does not define my religion. Your interpretation, your limited understanding, आपकी सोच, आपका नजरिया गलत है. आप कौन होते हैं दलितों के लिए बोलने वाले? आप कौन होते हैं दलितों के लिए बोलने वाले? आप कौन होते हैं? आपको MY कॉम्बिनेशन करना है? आपको दलितों को यूज करके पॉलिटिक्स करनी है ना? बोलिए. हम दलितों को पॉलिटिक्स करना चाहते हैं. हम मुस्लिम और दलित वोट को एक साथ लाना चाहते हैं. हम MY कॉम्बिनेशन करना चाहते हैं. बोलिए, शर्माते क्यों हैं? बोलिए ना. बोलिए, हम MY पॉलिटिक्स वापस जाना चाहते हैं.
वो हिंदू नहीं है.
नहीं, बोलिए ना, MY पॉलिटिक्स करेंगे. बोलिए, क्यों शर्माते हैं? बोलिए, हम MY पॉलिटिक्स करने वाले लोग हैं. हम MY पॉलिटिक्स करेंगे.
डिंपल यादव
हम MY पॉलिटिक्स करेंगे. हम MY पॉलिटिक्स करेंगे. हम MY दलित पॉलिटिक्स करेंगे.
किसी मुस्लिम सांसद ने डिमांड नहीं की थी.
आप हिंदुओं को तोड़ नहीं सकते हैं.
डिमांड की थी.
आप हिंदुओं को तोड़ नहीं सकते हैं. आप जाति समाज में हिंदुओं को तोड़ नहीं सकते. आप हार चुके हैं
ना. हिंदू देखिए,
और एक बार आपको लग रहा है ना, आपको लग रहा है ना हिंदू समाज को तोड़ेंगे, नहीं तोड़ पाएंगे.
आप
अरे नहीं तोड़ पाएंगे.
आप बैकवर्ड का विरोध कर रहे हैं.
आप क्या बैकवर्ड दलित पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं? ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं?
ताकि आप दलित सांसद और बैकवर्ड सांसद को बताएं कि अपने हैसियत में रहें. नहीं तो इसी डंडे से, जैसे तुम्हारे पूर्वजों को मारा है, इसी डंडे से तुम लोग को मारेंगे. इसलिए आप उसको याद दिला रहे हैं कि कैसे मनुस्मृति का.
आप एक बात बताइए, आप बाबर का समर्थन क्यों करते हैं? आप बाबर का समर्थन क्यों करते हैं?
गलत बात ना करिए.
आप बाबर और औरंगजेब का समर्थन क्यों करते हैं?
एक दलित ने डिमांड की.
आप औरंगजेब का समर्थन क्यों करते हैं? जजिया टैक्स लगाते थे सब पर, जुल्म करते थे हिंदुओं पर. आप औरंगजेब के खिलाफ क्यों नहीं बोलते?
दलित हिंदू की
आप औरंगजेब और बाबर के खिलाफ क्यों नहीं बोलते?
डिमांड है ये.
आप बाबर के फैन क्यों हैं? आप औरंगजेब के फैन क्यों हैं? एक शब्द नहीं बोलेंगे औरंगजेब और बाबर के बारे में. क्यों? आप कैसे अपने आप को बाबर और औरंगजेब
क्या करेंगे?
अरे बाबर औरंगजेब और आप में क्या? नहीं, आप क्यों सपोर्ट करते हैं औरंगजेब?
बात नहीं होती है.
आप औरंगजेब का समर्थन क्यों करते हैं? आप बाबर का समर्थन क्यों करते हैं? क्यों करते हैं बताइए ना.
हम नहीं करते.
बात तो एक बात बताइए, बाबर और औरंगजेब दलितों के लिए काम करते थे दिन रात। बाबर और समर्थन दलितों के लिए काम करते थे, बैकवर्ड के लिए काम करते थे। बाबर बैकवर्ड के लिए काम करते थे। क्या बात कर रहे हैं, क्या बात कर रहे हैं,
80
कैसी बात कर रहे हैं
उनको? देखिए इससे निकाल लीजिए,
इतिहास समझाएंगे आप हमको। You teach us history. On the debate, Dushyant Sridhar is on the debate. An attempt on the debate once again to speak against Hindu culture, Hindu pride, Hindu civilization and Hindu symbols.
उनका समर्थक ना बोलिए।
Dear sir, I just
आप होंगे उस आदमी की औलाद।
Sir, I just have one intervention. Arnab, when you gave me a chance to speak, I quoted the verse from Tirukkural. I gave a reference. Time and again, this respected person has been saying Manusmriti speaks bad about the Sengol. Can he quote the verse that says Manusmriti, where Manusmriti speaks about the Sengol? Let him quote. I think if it is an academic debate, I quoted from Tirukkural. So let him quote from Manusmriti the verse that says that Sengol is injustice. Or what is the verse? If you're making a statement in an academic debate, shouldn't you quote that verse? I quoted from Tirukkural. If you want me to quote from Srimad Ramayanam of Valmiki, I will quote. If you want me to quote from Mahabharatam about the Sengol, I will quote. Dharma dandasya iti bhavaha, I will quote. But he said Manusmriti says so. What is the verse that speaks about Sengol from Manusmriti? He has to quote. Let him quote.
He is googling.
Otherwise, apologize.
वो गूगल कर रहे हैं।
सर, आई हैवंट सेड कि मनुस्मृति में कोट है, मैंने कहा मनुस्मृति का प्रतीक चिन्ह है ये, जो दलित
क्या जानते हैं आप मनुस्मृति के बारे में? क्या जानते हैं आप मनुस्मृति के बारे में? आप मनुस्मृति के बारे में क्या जानते हैं? आप बताइए, आप क्या जानते हैं? आप क्या जानते हैं बताइए दुष्यंत। I will speak like that. I will expose your ignorance.
मैं इतना जानता हूं कि मनुस्मृति में
You know nothing about Manusmriti. You just want to abuse Hinduism. आप हिंदुओं को गाली देना चाहते हैं, आप हिंदू धर्म के खिलाफ बोलना चाहते हैं। मनुस्मृति, ऋग्वेद, कुरान, किसी के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानते। आप हिंदुओं को तोड़ना चाहते हैं, जाति की पॉलिटिक्स करना चाहते हैं, जाति जनगणना वाली पॉलिटिक्स करना चाहते हैं, और हिंदू धर्म और हिंदू संस्कृति के बारे में आपको कुछ नहीं पता है। कुछ नहीं, तो जवाब दीजिए। आंसर दुष्यंत श्रीधर, एग्जाम्पल दीजिए उनको।
ये वो दंड है,
कुछ नहीं बोल पा रहे अभी।
पूर्वजों को पीटा जाता था,
जवाब दीजिए दुष्यंत श्रीधर।
पूर्वजों की जमीनों को हथियाया जाता था, उनके
सिर्फ हिंदुओं को दिन रात गाली देना आदत बन गई आप लोग।
उन चीजों की याद आ रही है। और क्या चीज है? दलित सांसदों के साथ क्या अत्याचार हुआ उनका?
आप बाबर के भक्त क्यों हैं?
वो दिखा रहा है ये।
आप बाबर के भक्त क्यों हैं?
पिछड़ों के ऊपर अत्याचार करने के लिए बैठे, वही
आप बोलिए ना। बाबर और औरंगजेब ने हिंदुओं पर कितने जुल्म किए, उसके बारे में कुछ तो बोलिए।
मैं उतनी दूर नहीं जाना चाहता हूं।
बाबर और औरंगजेब मुर्दाबाद।
पार्टी,
आप बोलिए।
the party which has sent
Tuin is on the debate. Dushyanth, 1 minute after Tuin is on the debate.
पहला आतंकवादी नाथुराम गोडसे था। आप बोलिए। मैं कह रहा हूं बाबर और औरंगजेब, उनका पूरा खानदान मुर्दाबाद।
But the party which has sent gangsters like Atik Ahmed to parliament will never realize the benefits of parliamentary democracy. They will never realize the significance of Sengol. Because they have been used to, crime and Samajwadi Party have been synonymous in Uttar Pradesh. ये वो छवि आज चाह के भी नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो ये लोग ना तो फेयरनेस की अहमियत जानेंगे, ना ये लोग जस्टिस की अहमियत जानेंगे, ना ये लोग एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव प्रॉपर्टी की अहमियत जानेंगे। ये लोग जो हैं, मुझे शर्म आती है 2004 में जब आतिक अहमद जैसे लोग को पार्लियामेंट लेकर आए थे, क्या हम इनसे एक्सपेक्ट करें कि ये सेंगोल की अहमियत समझ पाएंगे? I think this needs to be a slightly more informed and erudite debate instead of, going into Manusmriti without the other person knowing anything about it.
He has nothing to say. Back to Googling. Dushyant is on the debate. Viewers, a lot of anger against the attempts made to make anti-Hindu comments, anti-Hindu tradition comments by Dushyant, by Tariq Lari in the beginning of the debate. Dushyant wanted to say something. You can stop Googling. आप Google करना बंद कीजिए। दुष्यंत आपको कुछ पूछ रहे थे ना, मनुस्मृति को कोट कीजिए। डेली दिन रात मनुस्मृति को यूज करते हैं हिंदुइज्म के खिलाफ बोलने के लिए। सेंगोल हटाई नहीं जाएगी। सेंगोल will never be removed from parliament. 1,000 years from now it will not be removed.
कि उनके पूर्वजों को सेंगोल
And don't you ever dare to try to do something like that.
दलितों के ऊपर अत्याचार करने का डंडा है, वो प्रतीक है, वो चीज दिखा रहा है, आप वही कर रहे हैं। बैकवर्ड्स के ऊपर अत्याचार करने का प्रतीक है,
किसने कहा?
हटाइए।
और औरंगजेब एक मिनट औरंगजेब वहां पे दलितों के लिए काम करते थे क्या? हाँ, मुगल जो थे जिनके भक्त है आप, वो दलितों के लिए काम करते थे? नहीं, बाबर दलितों के लिए काम करते थे। बाबर दलितों के लिए काम करते थे, जो आप बाबर के लिए खड़े रहते हैं हमेशा। बाबर अत्याचार करते थे कि नहीं करते? बोलिए,
आप तो यही कहेंगे
अत्याचार की थी कि नहीं की थी?
रॉयल सीक्रेट सर्विस वाले तो आपके साथ ही हैं। आरएसएस
मुर्दाबाद करने से क्या होगा?
गोडसे मुर्दाबाद, नाथूराम गोडसे मुर्दाबाद। मैं कह रहा हूं औरंगजेब मुर्दाबाद, मैं कह रहा हूं औरंगजेब मुर्दाबाद। आप बोलिए नाथूराम गोडसे मुर्दाबाद, बोलिए मुर्दाबाद नाथूराम गोडसे मुर्दाबाद।
अरे भाई,
वो देश का पहला आतंकवादी था, बोलिए। मेरे बारे में आपने अभी तक लगता है टाइप करवा के अब्दुल रज्जाक लारी के नाम से निकलवाया नहीं है। निकलवा लिया
लारी, आपको मैं बोल रहा हूँ, देखिए मुझे गोडसे मुर्दाबाद बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं आपसे बहुत ज्यादा पहले ये बोल चुका हूँ। आप तो जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे। आप बाबर के भक्त क्यों हैं?
आप
हिंदुओं के खिलाफ क्यों है? आप बताइए ना, क्यों नहीं बोल पा रहे? क्यों नहीं बोल पा रहे? क्यों बोल पा रहे? धर्मनिरपेक्ष थे बाबर धर्मनिरपेक्ष थे। औरंगजेब धर्मनिरपेक्ष थे, औरंगजेब सेक्युलर थे, दलितों के लिए काम करते थे। जो आप उनके भक्त हैं, आप भक्त क्यों है? आप मुगलों के भक्त क्यों है? आप मुगलों के भक्त क्यों है?
मुर्दाबाद।
आप शाहजहां के भक्त क्यों है?
बोलिए नाथूराम गोडसे
क्यों है?
बोलिए नाथूराम गोडसे।
आप शफीकुर रहमान से बुलवाइए ना मुर्दाबाद।
बोलिए,
आप शफीकुर रहमान से बुलवाइए ना मुर्दाबाद। अब चुप हो गए ना आप?
शफीकुर रहमान भक्त साहब तो चले गए कब्रिस्तान। अब उनसे अगर आपको बात
अरे सवाल तो पूछ रहा हूं ना आपको, सवाल प्रॉब्लम क्या है आपको?
वापस आने की गारंटी मैं नहीं लेता। आप जाए या जाकर मिल लीजिए।
अरे आपके जो नेता वहां पे बोल रहे थे सलमान खुर्शीद के साथ बैठकर,
आप लोग जानिए।
अरे भाई
कब्रिस्तान में है।
अरे क्या हो रहा था? सलमान खुर्शीद के बगल में बैठ के जो बोल रहे थे,
जाकर मिल लीजिए उनसे वहां पे।
नहीं, क्या कहा था? सलमान खुर्शीद के बगल में बैठ के आपके समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता क्या बोल रहे थे? धर्मनिरपेक्ष मत बोल रहे थे। सेंगोल नहीं हटेगी तारीख, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाओगे आप। नाउ रिस्पांस from Dushyant Sridhar is on the debate.
Arnab, very quickly. My question was very pointed.
My question is also very clear. I would repeat that question. Actually, you repeat the question to him. Make it absolutely clear. I want to corner him tonight.
So, twice he invoked stating that Manusmriti talks about Sengol and about the injustice. I asked a very academic question. What is that verse? Because there are three prominent commentators to Manusmriti. Medhatiti, Bharuchi, and Govindaraja. I asked a very academic question. I didn't demean any religion. I did not speak ill of him. I just asked what is the verse. And I have not received an answer as yet as to what is the verse. My only question is, if they have problems with it, why bring the text of Hindu? Now, did I bring any text of any other religion as a person who researches on religious scriptures? So I honestly feel that we should refrain from making comments on books or scriptures which we have no idea about. And
इनको लगता है, दुष्यंत, they feel that Hindus are not sensitive. They feel only Muslims should be sensitive. हमारे धर्म ग्रंथों के बारे में about our religious texts, they feel they have a right to say anything.
Okay, or no, he has objections to certain statements of Manusmriti. 6 months back, sir. I'll just complete my statement, sir.
Dushant.
Sir, I'll just complete my statement.
Dushant, continue.
So 6 months back. Just a sec, sir.
जिसका नाम आर.के. चौधरी है, उनका नाम लेके कहिए ना, वो दलित सांसद है, रिजर्व सीट से सांसद है, उन्होंने ये बात मांग की है, ये भी बोलिए साथ में।
6 months back, Arnab, I came on your same debate when one of the persons, a very prominent persons from their party, said that Ramcharitmanas has to be burnt. Yeah. So he has objections with Manusmriti. He has objections with Ramcharitmanas. 6 months back, I came on the debate. The person from Samajwadi Party said Ramcharitmanas should be burnt in the middle of the road. So if this is the thought that goes burning, destroying, what is all this?
No, it is. I'll tell you one thing. It is quite clear. I'll tell you. They will have a problem with Ramayana. They will have a problem with Mahabharata. They will even have a problem with Valmiki. They will have a problem with anyone associated with any Hindu text, because their idea, Tohin, is to generate hatred about Hinduism, divide Hindus, and play the Dalit card. Yes. Tohin.
I'm glad Dushyantji has brought it back, because throughout last year, Swami Prasad Maurya kept insulting the Hindu religion time and again. How dare these people talk about burning something? I mean, do they carry the mentality of Bhaktiar Khilji who burned down the Nalanda library? The fanboys of Bhaktiar Khilji have no room in Indian politics. This India has moved on. And that is why, like you mentioned, the Sengol is irreplaceable. They can do anything. In fact, the Congress should be ashamed today because for the first 4 years after independence, it was an integral part of the parliament. And in 1971, once again, Congress displayed its ignorance and removed it. So the Congress is equally complicit and guilty, and the Congress also owes an apology to the nation.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'll give one more chance. I think Dushyant, I'll give one chance. Tariq Lari, आपने जो comments किए उसके लिए आप अगर माफ़ी मांगना चाहेंगे, if you want to apologize, you can do it now in the last 30 seconds of the debate. I believe that nobody should speak against anybody else's religion. And I have never spoken against Islam, but the comments that you have made, generalizations you have made about Hinduism are most unacceptable. Are most unacceptable. You are not a custodian of Dalit interest. आप custodian है Dalit interest के. जब आपने कहा लड़के तो जब कहा लड़के तो लड़के हैं, गलती हो जाती है, तब आप दलितों के लिए बोल रहे थे.
किसी मुसलमान ने कमेंट किया तो आप बताइए.
जब आतिक अहमद ने कितना अत्याचार किया दलितों पर, तब आप उनका समर्थन कर रहे थे. जब मुख्तार अंसारी ने दलितों पर इतना अत्याचार किया, तो आप क्यों चुप थे उस समय? यू आंसर द क्वेश्चन व्हेन लिसन. तारिक लिसन. इज अ क्वेश्चन. व्हाई यू गेटिंग नर्वस? आप नर्वस क्यों हो रहे हैं? तारिक लारी, डोंट बी नर्वस. पानी पीजिए. मैं आपको कह रहा हूं, आई एम आस्किंग यू अ क्वेश्चन. As you know, I am asking you, Tariq Lari, listen to me. When Mukhtar Ansari and Atiq Ahmed were getting the support of Samajwadi Party and the kind of अत्याचार they did on Dalits, आप तब चुप क्यों थे? आपको वोट बैंक नहीं चाहिए था उस समय दलितों का? बोलिए ना, कितना दलित उत्पीड़न किया उसके बारे में डिटेल में बताऊं क्या? चुप क्यों थे तब? Why were you quiet then? The nation wants to know. Why was he quiet then? When the Samajwadi Party mafia targeted backwards, targeted Dalits, targeted women, why was he quiet then? The nation wants to know. Answer the question tonight. Answer.
मुख्तार अंसारी और अतीक अहमद
अभी नहीं बोलेंगे. शर्मा गए. फिर से शर्मा गए. तारिक लारी, चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं होता. मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, जिन चीजों के बारे में आपको कुछ नहीं पता है, जैसे कि हिंदू संस्कृति, उसके बारे में कुछ ना कहे तो ही बेहतर है. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन,
कि आपने मर्डर किया,
नहीं, और ज्यादा एक्साइटेड मत हो जाइए. फैजाबाद के नतीजे पर ज्यादा एक्साइटेड मत हो जाइए. फैजाबाद के नतीजे पर ज्यादा एक्साइटेड मत हो जाए. फैजाबाद के नतीजे पर इतने एक्साइटेड मत हो जाइए. फैजाबाद के नतीजे पर इतने वर्कअप मत हो जाइए. Faizabad. Ladies and gentlemen, I am closing the debate, and I just want to say one thing, viewers. You've seen the course of the debate. What I want to tell you, viewers, is that the anti-Sanatan line, anti-Hindu line is not a side hustle for these political parties. It is part of their basic thinking and philosophy. You may be thinking in the run-up to the elections, they are making political statements. But the elections are over. Why are they specifically going after the Sengol? Why are the first thing the opposition has done? First thing the Congress has done is refuse to vote for a resolution against the emergency, which means they still feel Indira Gandhi did the right thing. Which means family first, not country, not people. And the second thing they have done is ask for the removal of the Sengol. Think about it. Some things are not politics. It comes from their essence. Viewers, debate 2 on why I believe the Constitution should not become a marketing gimmick when I'm back.